Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you ProfitDev review. So what actually is ProfitDev? Guys, ProfitDev is a brand new mobile app maker that lets you create and publish unlimited done-for-you mobile apps to iOS App Store and Google Play Store within minutes, and all with zero coding, zero monthly fees, and zero experience required. Create unlimited mobile apps from scratch using this software ProfitDev. Creator of this software ProfitDev, Mike Mackey, Colin Lone, and Radu Hainu, and this software goes live on 18th of August 11 am EST. Right now I'm in the sales page of the software ProfitDev. Create unlimited mobile apps at a low on-time price using this software ProfitDev. Guys, I'm going to show you a step by step all the information about this software ProfitDev. I'm going to show you also quick demo how actually works this software and how to create a mobile apps easy way using this software ProfitDev. Guys, do you have online business or you are thinking of creating one? You must need a mobile app. Okay guys, I'm going to show the details. This is my honest review. Don't skip this video before watching demo. I'm going to show you everything guys that no one can share with you. I'm going to show you also pricing and OTOs about this software ProfitDev, how actually works, everything I'm going to show you in this video, so don't skip this video. Guys, right now I'm going to jump on my blog Passive Money University. This is my blog. I wrote the full review about this software ProfitDev here. Here's lots of information I put, like what is ProfitDev all about. Do you prefer to read full review? Link in my video description below. You can see the full review here on my blog. Okay guys, what is ProfitDev all about? ProfitDev software works 3 simple steps. ProfitDev software complete product overview here, and ProfitDev official demo about the author, who is the creator actually this software. ProfitDev features, what ProfitDev can do for you. ProfitDev pricing and OTOs. ProfitDev frequently asked questions. The major important information that you need to know about this software ProfitDev, I put all the information here on my blog. Okay guys, here is my $3,745 bonuses. If you purchase this software through via my link, I will give you guys my exclusive bonuses. Okay, here is all of my $3,745 bonuses that I personally use all of my online businesses. Okay guys, honestly speaking, I am as an affiliate, I promote this software. If you purchase this software through via my link, I will get small commissions, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free valuable videos like this, and this is my third exclusive bonus. I will also give you my special bonuses is here. Okay, and how to claim your bonuses, you can see all the information guys, and 30 days money back guarantee. The sweet deal is here. Okay, so you have got nothing to lose actually guys. This is the big opportunity to create your own mobile apps. No hire a coding developer or hire a freelancer. Okay, you have no problem, because this software ProfitDev will also give you 30-day money back guarantee. That's why your money is secure. Right now guys, I'm going to show you a step by step all the information about this software ProfitDev. So what is ProfitDev all about? You already know ProfitDev is a brand new mobile app maker that lets you create and publish unlimited done-for-you mobile apps and to iOS App Store and Google Play Store within minutes. Okay, imagine if minutes from now you could create your very own mobile apps for iOS and Android without ever having to write a single line of code. Okay, the major important info guys, you can see here I put all the information about this software. So just click the link and check out all the information before purchase this software. They even integrate with all major autoresponder, and you can send notifications straight to the phones or tablets of people who download your apps. Most people don't check their emails, but you can be that people check their phones. ProfitDev creates next generation mobile apps for iOS and Android in just 3 simple steps. Step number 1, Simply log into their stunning cloud-based app. There is nothing for you to set up, configure, or any coding involved. No website or hosting required either. Step number 2, use their done-for-you templates or the drag and drop editor to create the iOS and Android mobile app of your dreams. Use for yourself or clients. They have got over 30 plus different niches covered and commercial license is already built in. Step number 3, the final step of this software, publish your app with one click straight to the iOS App Store and Android Google Play Store for unlimited free traffic. They are the only app builder to get you published to the App Stores. ProfitDev builds real mobile apps, not progressive web apps that open in Safari. Imagine if you could place an affiliate link or your own offer right on their home screen. How cool is that? And all with no limitations, no monthly fees, no coding required, no headaches. It is the future of mobile app creation. Come join in at the very beginning of this revolution. Right now guys, I'm going to show you complete product overview of ProfitDev, then I'm going to show you quick demo, so stay tuned. The product name is ProfitDev, vendor's name is Mike McKay, Colin Lone, and Radu Hahaino. Launch date is 18th of August 11 AM EST. And this is the official website link guys. Okay, so you have no problem to find out the official website, and the price only $17 price. This is the one-time price. Bonuses $3,745 of different categories bonuses that I will give you totally free guys, and guarantee 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, and here is you can see about the author. Right now guys, I'm going to show you about the author, then I'm going to show you the create demo. The creator Mike McKay, Colin Lone, and Radu Hahaino, top 5% superstar vendor on Warrior Plus marketplace, 124,000 plus sales, top 5% superstar Warrior Plus affiliate. Also outstanding launchers, profit tweet, profit contest. They have launched this product also guys. You can check out all of this. They launched lots of product, lots of software successfully on Warrior Plus marketplace also. Okay guys, right now I'm just going to jump the sales page and I'm going to show you the ProfitDev software complete demo. Then I'm going to show you also ProfitDev features and ProfitDev pricing and OTOs that no one can share with you, the secret information. Okay, so let's see the demo guys. This is the official demo that creator of this software, partner, the software owner also, Colin Lone. So let's see it, the official demo. You'll be very clear after see the demo guys. So this is super easy to use the software, and you can very easy way to build your own mobile app. So let's get started. Let's see the demo.
Creating an app with ProfitDev is as easy as clicking on Create New App, putting in your app name, a link to your website or to your customer's website. We can choose a theme color, we'll just go with purple, and then a layout, so we'll go with tabs plus bar. Continue, and then just to get an idea of how the app looks, we can run our live preview right here. And we can see that instantly the app is now live on mobile phones. So we can see it on our right here. We can see the preview and we can interact with this phone to make sure the whole web page looks exactly how we want it to look. So all that's left for us is to start designing it. So we can go for tabs plus bar, we can go for drawer plus bar, and we can click save changes. And to update here, if we want to go for an Android look, we can also click here and then run preview. And we can see it now has a drawer right here that if we click on it, it shows up. It's blank because we didn't add anything to it. Here we can play with the colors live and see the changes live on our preview here. We can add different navigation menus. So for example, if we add here nav bar and then link to the same page, and then just select an icon like this. And now save. We can see it has appeared live on our preview here. Then of course we can do this several times. So we can go for different navigation bars. We can do our whole website on the left here, so users can easily navigate through our app. We can go for localization. We can do different things to make our app easier for our user base. So we can have different messages like these here that will show up when the user tries to do something. So if the user has no internet connection, they'll get a pop-up saying this. If the user wants to exit the app, we'll ask them if they're sure they want to exit the app. We can get leads by having them contact us through an email that will pop up directly on the app. And of course, we can do different images and error images in case the app has any problems or the website the app is based on has any problems. We can mess around with the graphics, so we can change the background, we can change the color however we want. We can display a logo, and all of the images can be uploaded right here, directly here. So if we want to change these live, so for example, we can change the color, we can change it to a red right here. Then save, and save changes. All we have to do is just rerun the preview. So what happens, what ProfitDev does, is it automatically creates the app as you go and installs it on this preview so that it's already ready to download once you're completely done with it and ready to upload on any app store. Lastly, we have the push settings which allow you to send messages directly to your users' phones from inside the app. Lastly, once you're completely done with all of the changes that you want and you're completely satisfied with this preview, the menu and everything about your own app, all you have to do is go to app download and start your build. We can go for Android and upload directly to Google Play. We can go for iOS and we can upload it directly into App Store Connect, so the app can be tested by App Store developers and then uploaded directly to the App Store. Let's create an Android file here. We're going to click on Start Build. Done. And we can see that the build has been done instantly as ProfitDev works with us in creating the app live, as we can just download it here. And done. So we have it here, and it's also already live on Google Play. So I've already opened up the link to it, and if we have a look, we can already see it here. We can see the 3 downloads because of the testing that we've done with the app. And it's already here. The app has been uploaded on Google Play, and it's that easy. It took us only 5 minutes to get an app already on Google Play from ProfitDev's sales page. Get your hands on this live mobile app creator, and I can't wait to hear from you.
Okay guys, I hope you fully understand about this software ProfitDev. You have no problem. They will provide over-the-shoulder step-by-step video trainings inside the members area. Okay, right now I am just going to jump on my blog, and I'm going to show you quickly ProfitDev features and ProfitDev price and OTOs. Create unlimited mobile apps from scratch using their drag and drop editor. iOS, Android compatible, published directly to iOS App Store and Google Play Store. No website required, no hosting required. 30+ done for you templates in any local and online niche. Commercial license included. Sell mobile apps to local businesses and online clients for thousands. Build real mobile apps that you can publish to app stores, not lame progressive web apps that often insufferable. Zero coding required. Built-in traffic by getting dragged and features on iOS and Android app stores. Send unlimited notifications. 100% newbie friendly. Step-by-step training included. Send any link to any app to all your app downloads with 1 click. No monthly fees. Pay once, use forever. Double your money back guarantee. 24/7 support from marketing gurus. New for August 2022, the ProfitDev app wizard legally hijacks other people's content and turns it into mobile apps for 24/7. What ProfitDev can do for you, you can see also the information. Right now guys, I'm going to show you very important information, ProfitDev pricing and OTOs. The front-end price is ProfitDev is only $17. ProfitDev front-end downsell is ProfitDev downsell. You can see $15. ProfitDev upgrade number 1, $36.93, the pro options. And ProfitDev upgrade number 2, $26.93 the down sells. Here is the profit Dev done for you. Upgrade number 3, $36, $26 the down sell. And profit Dev upgrade 5, $197 resell license. You can resell this software like as your own software. You can rebrand this software. Okay guys, do you want to start your software selling business online? You can also do this. And profit Dev upgrade 6, $97 reseller downsell. And upgrade number 7 is $97 IMX. And upgrade number 8, the last OTO of this software, 67. So prices are not a very high guys, price is low. Okay, and right now I'm going to show you profit Dev frequent asked questions of this software. Very important info before process this. The number one question is profit Dev cloud based? Absolutely yes, it is cloud based, easy to access from anywhere, works with Mac, PC and mobile. And question number 2, does this work on iOS and Android? Absolutely yes, it lets you create apps that will work on iOS and Android. And another questions, can I get published to the iOS and Android app stores? Yes, it is the only app builder one out there that will let you get published, ranked and pasted on the iOS and Android app stores. Another questions guys, are others getting results with profit Dev? Yes, please see the proof of above. You can see the lots of testimonials on the sales page. Does it cost a monthly fee? Normally yes, but if you act now, you are getting on-time access, the one-time fee. Is commercial license included? Absolutely yes. Do I need any tech skills or experience to make this work? Absolutely no. You will find app creation with profit Dev both seamless and Review proof. Is support and training included? Absolutely. By purchasing today, you can get instant access to the profit Dev training portal and the 24/7 support desk. Okay guys, profit Dev is one of the best software to create your own mobile apps. Okay, thank you so much for reading my profit Dev guys. Thank you so much for watching my profit Dev review. I really hope it did help you with your buying decision. This system is coming out with many bonuses for the early bird. Okay, take your action as soon as possible for the best deal. This is my $3,745 exclusive bonuses that I will give it totally free guys. You can see all the bonus. So what are you waiting for? 30 days money back guarantee. You have got nothing to lose guys. Okay, how to build a profitable email list? You can see this is my top 21 high quality special bonuses. You can just give away these ebooks and collect email guys. This is the right method to build a profitable email list. Or you can also follow this method. I following this method and I get results. You can also get results. Okay, and here is the sales page guys. Okay, build real mobile apps, no fake or something like that. Okay, and make this type of money every single month. You can also start your mobile app selling business. You can sell your service on freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Guru.com, Fiverr, Upwork, Guru.com, peoplepower.com, freelancer.com. Okay, this is the testimonials. You can see the verified users, the beta users actually they get results. So you can also get results guys. You can also see the demo, official demo, also the sales page. This is the sales page. Okay, keep in mind guys, here is you can see lots of info, iOS and Android supported mobile apps you will be able to create. You can see the 6-figure marketer says this is the opportunity. This current opportunity is truly unparalleled. Don't waste it. Okay, and what you will get inside this, here is the here is the everything you are getting inside the membership of this software profit Dev, and this is the 3 creator. Okay, also the frequent asked question is here, and 30-day 100% money back guarantee guys. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to build a mobile apps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon in my next video.